Welcome to Rajasthan, a land where the golden sands of the Thar Desert stretch as far as the eye can see, and the vibrant culture is as rich as its history. Rajasthan, the land of kings. This place is amazing. It's in India. Known for its majestic palaces and grand forts, Rajasthan is a treasure trove of architectural wonders. Each city here has its own unique charm and story to tell. Big deserts, colorful cities, and friendly people. The Thar Desert, also known as the Great Indian Desert, is a vast expanse of arid land that offers a unique landscape unlike any other. The cities like Jaipur, Jodhpur, and Udaipur are a riot of colors, with bustling markets, vibrant festivals, and locals dressed in traditional attire that reflect the rich cultural heritage of the region. Get ready for an adventure. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie looking for a thrilling camel safari in the desert, or a history buff eager to explore ancient forts and palaces, Rajasthan has something for everyone. The adventure begins the moment you step foot in this enchanting land. First things first, the culture here is off the charts. From the traditional dance performances that tell stories of valor and romance to the local festivals that light up the streets with joy and celebration, Rajasthan's culture is a feast for the senses. Think vibrant clothes, spicy food, and music that makes you want to dance. The folk dancers, dressed in bright, colorful attire, perform with such energy and grace that it's impossible not to be captivated. The street food, with its bold flavors and aromatic spices, is a culinary adventure in itself. And the music, played on traditional instruments, is the heartbeat of Rajasthan, resonating with the soul of the land. It's like stepping into a whole different world. And the history. Walking through the ancient streets of Rajasthan is like taking a journey back in time. The historical sites, from the intricately carved temples to the grand Havelis, are a testament to the region's glorious past. Forts and palaces tell stories of Maharajas and battles. The majestic forts, such as the Mehrangarh Fort in Jodhpur and the Amber Fort in Jaipur, stand as proud sentinels of Rajasthan's storied history. These architectural marvels, with their imposing walls and intricate designs, have witnessed countless battles and the rise and fall of empires. Every stone has a tale. The ancient carvings and stone structures are not just remnants of the past, they are storytellers, whispering tales of bravery, love, and sacrifice. Each monument, each sculpture, is a piece of the puzzle that makes up the rich tapestry of Rajasthan's history. Get ready to be transported back in time. As you explore these historical treasures, you'll find yourself immersed in the stories of the past, feeling the echoes of a bygone era. The sunsets over the forts, casting a golden hue over the landscape, are a sight to behold, adding a touch of magic to the historical ambience. So are you ready to explore Rajasthan with me? Join me on this incredible journey as we uncover the secrets of this magnificent land, experience its vibrant culture, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Rajasthan awaits, with its open arms and endless wonders. Let's embark on this adventure together. Next up, the Thar Desert. This vast expanse of golden sand is one of the most mesmerizing landscapes on Earth. The Thar Desert, also known as the Great Indian Desert, spans over 200,000 square kilometers, making it the 17th largest desert in the world. It's a place where the horizon seems endless, and the golden dunes stretch as far as the eye can see. Imagine, golden sand stretching as far as the eye can see. The dunes here are constantly shifting, sculpted by the winds into ever-changing patterns. Each dune tells a story of the desert's timeless beauty and the forces of nature that shape it. It's like an ocean, but made of sand. The vastness of the Thar Desert can make you feel like you're standing on the shore of a golden sea, with waves of sand rolling out to the horizon. This desert is a living, breathing entity with its own rhythms and moods. The sun sets over the dunes. As the day comes to an end, the desert transforms into a canvas of colors. The golden sands take on a warm amber glow, and the shadows grow long and deep. The sky turns fiery orange and red. It's breathtaking. The sunsets in the Thar Desert are some of the most spectacular you'll ever see. The sky is painted with hues of orange, red, and pink, creating a stunning contrast with the golden sands below. You haven't lived until you've seen this. The beauty of a desert sunset is something that stays with you forever. It's a moment of pure magic, where the world seems to stand still, and all you can do is marvel at the natural wonder before you. You can ride camels here, The Thar Desert is home to the hardy and resilient camel, often referred to as the ship of the desert. These incredible animals have adapted perfectly to the harsh conditions of the desert, and riding one is an experience like no other. It's the best way to experience the desert. The camels are tough. They can travel long distances without water, making them the perfect companions for a desert adventure. As you ride through the dunes, you'll feel a connection to the ancient travelers who once crossed these sands on camelback. They can handle the heat and the sand. Camels are incredibly well suited to the desert environment. Their thick coats protect them from the sun, and their wide, padded feet allow them to walk easily on the soft sand. They are truly remarkable creatures. The desert is harsh but beautiful. The Thar Desert is a place of stark contrasts. It's a land of extremes, where temperatures can soar during the day and plummet at night. Yet amidst this harshness, there is a rugged beauty that captivates the soul. It's a true test of survival. The desert demands respect and resilience. It's a place where only the strongest and most adaptable can thrive. For those who venture into its vast expanse, it offers a chance to test their limits and discover their inner strength. Are you up for the challenge? The Thar Desert is not just a destination, it's an adventure. It's a place where you can push yourself to the limits, explore the unknown, and experience the raw beauty of nature in its purest form. So are you ready to embark on this incredible journey? Udaipur, they call it the Venice of the East. It's built around shimmering lakes, so peaceful and romantic. Lake Pichola is the most famous, sparkling water surrounded by hills and palaces. Take a boat ride, it's magical. The city palace is huge, it sits right on the lake. Imagine living like a Maharaja, you can almost hear the history whispering. Udaipur is a must-see in Rajasthan. Trust me, you'll fall in love with this place. Jaipur, the pink city, get ready for a blast of color. Buildings painted a beautiful pink. It's like stepping into a fairy tale. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. It's a busy city, full of life. Markets, temples, palaces, there's so much to see. The Hawa Mahal is amazing. It's called the Palace of Winds. The architecture is incredible. You've got to see it to believe it. Jaipur is a feast for the senses. The sights, the sounds, the smells. It's an experience you'll never forget. Section 5. The Amber Fort. A majestic palace. Just outside Jaipur is the Amber Fort. This place is epic. It sits high on a hill overlooking the city. You can ride an elephant up to the fort. It's like stepping back in time. The elephants are decorated like royalty. Inside the fort, it's like a maze. Courtyards, gardens, and palaces. The architecture is mind-blowing. So much detail. The Amber Fort is a must-see in Rajasthan. It's a powerful reminder of India's rich history. Section 6. Ranthambore National Park, where tigers roam free. Nestled in the heart of Rajasthan, Ranthambore National Park is a sanctuary where the majestic Bengal tiger roams free. This park is not just a haven for tigers, but a treasure trove of biodiversity. Ranthambore National Park, this is tiger country. Here the Bengal tiger reigns supreme, embodying the wild spirit of the Indian jungle. The sight of a tiger prowling through the dense forest is a sight to behold, a moment that stays with you forever. It's one of the best places in India to see tigers in the wild. The park's unique landscape, a blend of dry, deciduous forests and open grassy meadows, provides the perfect backdrop for these magnificent creatures. The thrill of spotting a tiger in its natural habitat is unparalleled. The park is full of forests, lakes, and ruins. The dense forests are interspersed with serene lakes, creating a picturesque setting. Ancient ruins, remnants of a bygone era, add a touch of mystery and history to the landscape. These ruins, once part of the Ranthambore Fort, now stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time. It's a haven for wildlife. Tigers, leopards, and a myriad of other species call this park home. The elusive leopard, often seen lounging on tree branches or stealthily moving through the underbrush, adds to the park's allure. The rich biodiversity here is a testament to the park's thriving ecosystem. Crocodiles, you name it. The lakes and water bodies within the park are teeming with crocodiles, basking in the sun or gliding through the water. These ancient reptiles are a fascinating sight, adding to the park's diverse wildlife. Going on a safari here is an adventure. A jeep safari through Ranthambore is an exhilarating experience. As you traverse the rugged terrain, the anticipation of spotting wildlife keeps you on the edge of your seat. The knowledgeable guides share insights about the park's flora and fauna, enriching your safari experience. You never know what you're going to see. Each safari is unique, offering unexpected wildlife encounters. From the majestic tiger to the playful langur monkeys, every sighting is a reminder of nature's wonders. The park's diverse habitats ensure that no two safaris are ever the same. It's a chance to connect with nature. Ranthambore offers a rare opportunity to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of daily life and reconnect with nature. The tranquility of the forest, the symphony of bird calls, and the sheer beauty of the landscape create a serene environment for reflection and rejuvenation. Ranthambore is a reminder of the importance of conservation. The park's success in tiger conservation is a beacon of hope for wildlife enthusiasts and conservationists worldwide. The dedicated efforts to protect and preserve the park's natural heritage are commendable. We need to protect these animals and their habitats. The survival of these magnificent creatures depends on our commitment to conservation. By safeguarding their habitats, we ensure that future generations can witness the beauty and majesty of the wild. Ranthambore stands as a testament to what can be achieved when we prioritize the protection of our natural world. Section 7. The food, the music, the people. Let's talk about the food in Rajasthan. It's delicious. Spicy curries, lentil dishes, and sweet treats. Your taste buds will thank you. And the music. Traditional folk music will get your feet tapping. The instruments are so unique, it's impossible not to dance. But the best part about Rajasthan is the people. They are so warm and welcoming. They'll make you feel right at home. Section 8. So much more to explore. We've only scratched the surface of Rajasthan. There's so much more to see and do. Explore the ancient stepwells, visit the holy city of Pushkar, witness the Pushkar Camel Fair. It's a sight to behold. Rajasthan is a land of endless possibilities. Every corner you turn, you'll find something new and exciting. Section 9. Where will your Rajasthan adventure take you? So, are you ready for an adventure? Pack your bags and head to Rajasthan. It's a journey you'll never forget. From the Thar Desert to the palaces of Jaipur, Rajasthan has something for everyone. What are you waiting for? Where will your Rajasthan adventure take you?